Did you know play is crucial for your baby's brain development? Indeed, play is not just about fun and games. It's a key component in developing sturdy brain architecture, forming the very foundations of lifelong health and resilience. Through playful interactions, babies begin to develop executive function skills, those crucial abilities to focus attention, use working memory, and practice basic self-control. It's truly amazing how a simple game of peekaboo or pat a cake can influence your little one's growth. Now, let's dive into some fun games you can play with your baby. One of the all-time favorite games for babies is Peekaboo. This hide-and-find game challenges little ones to remember who's hiding, honing their memory and self-control skills. But the fun doesn't stop there. Try Trot to Madinah, a delightful game where you gently bounce your baby on your knees, chanting a playful rhyme. This game not only provides amusement, but also stimulates their sense of rhythm and balance. Ready for more? Let's move on to the next game. Next up, we have Pat-a-Cake and conversation games. Pat-a-Cake involves clapping, rolling, and patting baby's hands gently while singing. This fun-filled activity enhances your baby's motor skills and rhythm sense. Now, let's dive into conversation games. It's all about making silly sounds and waiting for your little one to respond. This back-and-forth interaction not only strengthens your bond, but also encourages your baby's language development. These games are not just fun, but also contribute significantly to your baby's development. Let's explore some more engaging games, hiding games and Fingerplays. Hiding games are a delightful way to stimulate a baby's curiosity. Hide a toy under a cloth or a cup and encourage your little one to find it. The joy they experience when they discover the hidden object is priceless. It's not just about the fun though. These games enhance their memory and cognitive skills while also teaching them about object permanence. Now, let's talk about Fingerplays. These are songs or chants with simple hand motions. They're an excellent tool for teaching babies to mimic movements and remember sequences. Think about the classic Eensy Weensy Spider or Where is Thumbkin? These playful activities are not only entertaining, but also boost the baby's motor skills, memory, and language development. These games are a great way to keep your baby engaged while also contributing to their brain development. So, there you have it. 6 amazing games to play with your baby. From the classic Peekaboo to the rhythmic Trot to Madinah, from the playful Pat-a-Cake to engaging conversation games, and from the exciting hiding games to the interactive Fingerplays. Each of these games not only engages your little one, but also contributes to their brain development, executive function skills, and resilience. Remember, when you play with a baby, follow their lead. Enjoy these precious moments while also fostering their development.